Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the key differences between projects, programs, and portfolios. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for effective management, whether in business or any venture. So let's get started. First, let's talk about projects. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It has a defined beginning and end, with specific objectives to achieve. Projects are all about delivering specific outputs and outcomes within a set time frame and budget. Think of building a house, launching a new product, or developing a software application. Each of these examples is driven by clear goals and a fixed schedule. Now let's move on to programs. A program is essentially a collection of related projects, managed in a coordinated manner to achieve benefits and control not available from managing them individually. Programs are designed to improve organizational performance and are often ongoing, adapting over time. They focus on achieving strategic objectives. For example, a company might have a digital transformation program with multiple projects like upgrading IT systems, implementing new software, and training employees. The goal here is to ensure that all these projects align with the broader business strategy. Finally, we have portfolios. A portfolio is a higher-level concept that involves managing a collection of projects and programs to achieve strategic business objectives. Portfolios provide a holistic view of all initiatives within an organization. Portfolio management is about selecting and prioritizing projects and programs that align with business goals. It ensures resources are allocated efficiently and risks are balanced. Imagine a company managing a portfolio of diverse projects in marketing, finance, and operations, each contributing to the company's overall success. To sum up, projects are about specific outputs. Programs focus on strategic benefits, and portfolios are about aligning everything with broader business objectives. By understanding these differences, organizations can improve decision-making, prioritize better, and ultimately achieve their goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.